Hello everybody, it's me, Jayden, and today I'm going to be showing you different type of camera shots, camera angles for you guys. This is something you guys should know. Miss Underhill forced me to do this, so yeah, I'm being held captive. Alright, so the first shot is going to be medium shot. Basically what a medium shot is going to be from the person's head to their waist. So next up we have close-up shot, and close-up shot is pretty self-explanatory. You're basically just getting a closer image of whatever the main subject you are recording. Alright, so next up we got extreme close-up. Now basically what an extreme close-up would be is just getting all up in somebody's face. You want to make sure that camera is pointed right on their face so you can get every single face expression so the audience has a better understanding of what's going on in the scene. Next up we got wide shot. Basically what wide shot is a shot from the person's head to their feet. Alright, so next up we got over the shoulder shot. And now this shot is done with two people being over the shoulder of one person, and then the general image would be the other person. You commonly would see over the shoulder shots in like a conversation going on. Alright, so next up we got a two shot, and a two shot, as you could have guessed, is a shot with two people. Wow, two people from the waist up. I really don't think that's hard to process, okay? So if you don't understand what a two shot is, Alright, so next up we have tilt. Basically what tilt is going to be is tilting the camera up and down, capturing the subject. Next up we got Dutch angle. Basically what Dutch angle is, the camera is going to be crooked. It's going to be tilted at a different angle than what you normally would see. Basically creating a different type of feel. This type of shot could be used in like horror movies, or something is just off in general. Okay, so next we got the high angle. The high angle will be a shot where it's going to be pointing down on the main subject of the video. So for example, maybe making somebody look powerless in a situation that is currently going on in the scene. Okay, so next we got a low angle shot. Now a low angle will be making somebody look the opposite of high angle. It will make somebody look powerful. It looks like they mean something. Alright, next we got bird's eye view. Basically what bird's eye view is, the camera being way high up, pointing down on the subject of the video. Alright, next up is POV, aka point of view. So basically what a POV would be is you are seeing what the character would be seeing at that moment. So wherever the character looks, that's where the camera angle will pan to. Alright, so next up we have zoom. Basically what zoom is moving closer to something in the shot. It can be used to show how important something is in that shot. Alright, so next up we have dolly. Dolly is basically used when you want to capture a moving object, such as a car, or it can be used to move around capturing multiple things in the shot. Alright, so finally we got pan. Pan is basically recording something left to right, or right to left. Alright, that wraps up the video. You guys should now be able to perform camera shots and angles. You guys should be pros now at this. Unless you were on your phone the whole period, which you probably were. Oh well, it's not my problem. Bye!